So the confirmation coming in that Indigo's filed its response to the show cause notice from the DGCA. Information that we're picking up right now is that the letter is highly guarded, meaning that in fact, communication from Indigo is something that they're not going to reveal right now. Remember that the DGCA sought details from Indigo on the flight chaos and the mess that had played out in the last few days. Amid that, Indigo's filed its response. They were to meet a deadline of 6 p.m., which they seem to have met, but sources telling us as of now the details of the letter will not be revealed at this stage. Meanwhile, we understand that there is also going to be a meeting of the DG of the DGCA and also Civil Aviation Ministry officials that could happen this evening. And reportedly, deliberations on the response filed by Indigo will be taken up at this meeting, so the government will figure out what exactly is to be done next based on the response given by Indigo. Top Indigo officials have also been summoned by the DGCA. The flight watchdog, the DGCA, has summoned Indigo top leadership, including the CEO, Peter Elbers, who's been issuing statement after statement and has been pulled up for the kind of statement and the stand that Indigo has taken amid this mess and leaving so many passengers in the lurch. There will be a 4-member DGCA panel that will question the Indigo top brass. And let's hope that with that, with some steps now moving forward, we are going to be seeing accountability being fixed as well.